And finally, question number 29. So you have a batch of salad dressing requires 1 2/3 cups of olive oil, half a cup of vinegar, and 3/4 cup of water. How many cups of salad dressing will this recipe produce? Obviously, when you're doing a recipe, you're going to mix everything all together. So you need to add this number to this number to this number. So this is a straight addition problem. Okay, so let's do just that. Alright, so I come here and I'm gonna write my three numbers. So again, I have 1 and 2/3. I'll put it right here. I'm gonna add it to let's see, 3/4, or let's do half first, and then 3/4. Okay, so these are the numbers I need to add. Now notice how this is the only number that has a whole number, so nothing else down here. So when I add all the whole numbers together, I need to come up with 1. Okay, so do your whole numbers together, you came up with 1. Let's not worry about the adding the three fractions at the same time. Alright, so let's do that. So 2/3 plus half plus 3/4. Alright, very nice. Let's move them out of the way. There you go. So what's my least common denominator for all these three numbers? 3, 2, and 4. The answer is 12. Okay, because 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, and 4 times 12, or 4 times 3 is 12 rather. So how do you change a 3 to a 12? You multiply it by 4. So you put a 4 here, and you put a 4 here. Alright, it's not writing for some reason. Times 4. There you go. And then I'm going to multiply here by 6. And I need to multiply here by 6. And I multiply here by 3. And I multiply here by 3. Okay? So far so good. So I have 4 times 2 gives me 8. So I'm going to put 8 right here. And I have 6 times 1, I put 6 right here. And I have 3 times 3, which is 9, and I put 9 right here. So I'm going to add all those numbers up. So 8 plus 6 is 14, add 9, it's 23 over 12. Okay, so 23 over 12 is my answer. Obviously it's improper. 23, let's see, 23 over 12. Alright, so 12 goes into 23 how many times? It goes in 1 time, because 1 times 12 is 12 and 2 times 12 is 24. That's too big. So I keep 12 as the denominator. Multiply 12 times 1, which is 12. How much do you need to get to 23? You need 11. Okay, so this is what we found so far. However, remember that we had an extra 1 at the beginning when we added the whole numbers together. So let's not forget about that. Okay, so you're going to add this 1 to this 1, and you get 2. And now you're going to pick your fraction, which is 11 over 12. So my final answer is 11, or 211 over 12. And when you come back to your problem, you're going to select letter, let's see which one, letter C, and that's your final answer.